Did you know that millions of people worldwide are affected by asthma, a chronic respiratory condition? This prevalent health concern, invisible to the eye yet palpable in the lungs, significantly impedes the ability to breathe with ease. Asthma engulfs the globe, indifferent to borders and nationalities, and casts a shadow on the daily lives of those it touches. Yet within the shadow lies the beacon of hope and control. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and strategies for control is crucial to improve the quality of life for individuals living with asthma. What causes asthma? It's an inflammatory condition of the airways that can be triggered by various factors. Genetics can predispose some individuals to the condition, while environmental irritants like dust, pollen, or smoke can provoke an asthma attack. Even respiratory infections can set off this chronic disease. It's essential to understand these triggers because they are the key to managing asthma. By understanding these triggers, we can work towards managing the condition more effectively. Asthma manifests with symptoms like shortness of breath, chest wheezing, coughing, and chest tightness. These symptoms are not constant, they wax and wane, varying in intensity from mild to severe. At times they might be a mere inconvenience, a slight wheeze, or a persistent cough. Yet at their worst, they can be life-threatening, making every breath a struggle. Imagine being unable to catch your breath after a short walk, or being jolted awake in the middle of the night, gasping for air. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life, interfering with everyday activities like work, school, exercise, and even sleep. The unpredictability of asthma can also bring about emotional stress, contributing to a cycle of anxiety and exacerbation. However, it's important to remember that these symptoms are not a life sentence. Recognizing these symptoms early, seeking medical advice, and adhering to a treatment plan can help manage the condition better and reduce its impact on daily life. Early diagnosis of asthma is key, but how do healthcare professionals diagnose it? Let's delve into this. Diagnosis typically begins with a series of pulmonary function tests designed to measure lung capacity and airway inflammation. This, in combination with a comprehensive review of medical history and symptom assessment, aids in diagnosing and classifying the severity of asthma. Once a diagnosis is confirmed, treatment becomes personalized, tailored to meet the specific needs of each patient. This often involves a regimen of medications, including bronchodilators and anti-inflammatory drugs. But treatment doesn't end with a prescription. Adherence to medication is crucial in controlling asthma. Regular use of maintenance medications can prevent crises and maintain lung function. In addition to medication, effective management of asthma involves a keen understanding of one's triggers. Identifying and avoiding allergens such as pollen and dust mites, controlling exposure to irritants like cigarette smoke and pollutants, and creating a home environment conducive to respiratory health all contribute to better asthma control. But asthma management isn't just about what to avoid, it's also about what to embrace. Continuous education, for instance, is a valuable tool. Patients and caregivers need to understand signs of deterioration, know how to use inhaler devices correctly, and have an action plan for crisis situations. Regular exercise, tailored to individual needs, also plays a crucial role in asthma control. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and stress management, it can contribute significantly to controlling the condition. But let's not forget the psychological aspect. Living with asthma can be challenging emotionally, hence the need for psychosocial support. Participation in support groups, sharing experiences, and seeking counseling can be effective ways to cope with the emotional impact of the condition. Proactive management of asthma, therefore, extends beyond medication. It's about understanding the condition, knowing how to manage it, and making lifestyle changes to support overall health. It's about being in control rather than letting asthma control you. Proactive management of asthma can significantly enhance the quality of life of those affected. Ongoing research is crucial in the fight against asthma. The tireless work of scientists and medical professionals around the globe continues to push the boundaries of what we know and how we treat this condition. Every discovery, every new therapy, and every clinical trial brings us one step closer to improving the lives of those affected by asthma. Awareness of these advances is key. By staying informed about new treatments and breakthroughs, individuals with asthma can better manage their condition. In addition, participation in clinical trials not only contributes to this pool of knowledge, but also provides early access to potential new therapies. As we look to the future, the role of research remains paramount. Its importance cannot be overstated. While asthma is a chronic condition with effective management and continuous research, many people can lead a full and active life.